Hello everyone, welcome back for another video. It is pretty windy, but I'm switching cars again. I'm going to drive this V300 again, which is a 100k V-Class for matic. It's a very beautiful car, but it is pretty filthy because it has been sitting for about 2 months. You can see it over here, poop there. So we're going to do a good cleanup on it tomorrow. But it was my first day at work again. In 2 months I'm going home. This thing is actually also pretty fast, so if we do a kick down, you can see it accelerates pretty quickly. Hey guys, so now you've seen what this thing can do. It's a 100k car and it is full of dust. We can't let that happen. So we're going to clean this thing up. It is a car for my client. Just need to drive a little bit more with the car. But I'm going to clean it up. It is full of dust, it is full of pollen from sitting, because it has been sitting for about 2 months. So we'll get this thing cleaned and we'll start off with the wheels first. As a quick interruption, I noticed that a lot of you guys are watching the videos over and over again. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Would mean a lot to me. Let's go further with the video. I'm going to get the hose and cool them off first, because I just have driven the car and they are a bit hot and they need to be cold to the touch. So we'll start off with cleaning the wheels because they are now cold to the touch. I have some brake buster diluted in here. I have some semper into the wash bucket, the wheel bucket, with some wheel woolly and brushes. So we'll tackle these wheels. They are beautiful AMG wheels, but they are not the most nice or most efficient to clean. So we will start. Soak the wheel with it. My little tire brush from AliExpress. Okay guys, so the wheels are done now. They look fresh again, these beautiful AMG wheels. So what we are going to do now is foam the car, and the product that we will be using will be neve from labocosmetica, which will be diluted 1:50 in the mjjc foam cannon pro. So let's load it 1:50. That will be about 40 milliliters in this 1 liter foam bottle. So I will do that with some hot water. So 1, and then this approximately 10. Good to go now. Now we're just gonna fill it with some hot water. So what we have here is 960 milliliters of hot water and 40 milliliters of neve. Always shake it until you get an even distribution of foam and water. So shake it, put it on the lens, and we will start foaming. Strange that the foam isn't that thick, because I used it before and the foam was much more thicker, but it smells really good, like all the labocosmetica products. I'm going to let it dwell for a few minutes, but It's very strange. So V300 for matic. It is pretty strange that it isn't that thick, but it is what it is. I'm just going to let it dwell and spray it off. So I'm using my 2-bucket system with my incredipad, combination with semper from labocosmetica, which is a very good smelling product. Just going to put some in, don't even care about it, and then just foam it up. I'm starting with the roof first, and in this case I even need a ladder for it, which makes it a bit more labor intensive. The semper shampoo is also very sleek and you will come far with a small amount of it. It is also pH neutral, so it won't be a problem for any waxes or sealants on the paint. You can even use it in your foam gun. So I just let my wash mitt glide over the surface. I don't put any pressure on it, it just needs to agitate the dirt. I always start on the upper side of a panel, then I go down, flip the mitt, do it all over again, clean it in the rinse bucket and take some fresh water in my clean water bucket and start the process all over again. Okay guys, so the car is washed right now. It is clean, but we will go the extra step and make it a bit more hydrophobic with, no, this is the wrong bottle, with Revita, which is the wash and coat shampoo from labocosmetica, but we are going to foam it onto the car if it makes me a bit more light like this. So wash and coat shampoo, we are going to do it in a foam cannon. Spray it onto the car, spray it off. The car will be a bit more hydrophobic, a bit more protected, a bit more easy to dry, and also it will boost the gloss. So we will do that first to make sure the car is clean. The car is in graphite gray, which is a beautiful new V-Class color. So now I'm going to show you the water repellency of the paint before and after Revita. So this is the before. So the car is never protected, so you can see that it really sticks to the paint. And now I'm going to apply Revita, rinse it off, and we will see what it does after. So I have some Revita diluted in this foam gun. See the water rolls off even on a really flat surface. So this is the end result. Also on the hood, it is much more hydrophobic. So the Revita is an easy way to give the car a lot more gloss, make it a lot slicker and protect it. Car feels also a lot slicker. So now we're just gonna dry it off, which will be a lot more easy with the Revita on it. Okay guys, so I'm going to dry the car with my Geon dryer, Silk Dryer XL. Always start with the flat panels first, because they have the least amount of water. So this is one of the last panels with the Silk dryer. You can see it still gets all the water off pretty easily. So I like this towel a lot. You can see the hood is perfectly dry. Okay guys, so we are almost done. The car is dried off right now, but the last step will be to apply Tire Express onto the tires and the plastic pieces. You can apply it on wet tires, so it will not be a problem because the tires are still a bit wet. So I'm going to do that right now. So you can see that the tire is still a bit wet, but we are going to apply it. Just shake the product like this. I have this Adams block that I cut in half. I'm just gonna spray some on and really rub it into the pores of the rubber. So the car is now fully cleaned, fully detailed. It's a MSRP 103K V-Class. I ordered the car myself, so I know the spec of it out of my head. It is fully equipped. It has every option you can imagine that is possible on this car, but it is fully clean now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up, give it a subscribe, and then I see you guys in the next video. It was the first big car I did, and so let me know if there are better ways to do it. I did it my way, so let me know in the comments down below. So the next clip will be some beautiful shots of the car.